Connect the main power supply. Open the control system. Turn on the vacuum pump. Control the 5-axis CNC router 5-axis separately. Adjust to hand wheel control mode. Using hand wheel control movement can make the machine run more accurately through numerical adjustment. Switch to automatic mode. Click F3, monitor, F4, MDI input, in sequence to call the tool change program interface. Modify the number and sequence of spindle tool changes in this program. Find the Automatic Tool Setting option in the main interface and click Start Tool Setting to complete the automatic tool setting operation. A mist spray cooling system is required when processing metal. Click the corresponding button in the video and see the barometer jump to indicate that it is on. Click F4, Monitor, F1, Edit, F1, OK, F8, File Manager, in sequence to find the process program that needs to be processed. Click F5, Execute, to load the program. Switch to fully automatic mode and click the button to start processing. Turn off the machine.